Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of October the 7th through the 13th, 2022. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's. We have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store. My shopping list will be in the description box below, as well as any videos I may mention. So first thing to keep your eyes out for is this Giant Savory magazine. I guess it's October and November. I did only see one coupon, but I didn't thoroughly check it. So I will thoroughly check, and I'll post on my Instagram what coupons are inside. So if you want to follow me over there, mama_made_couponer. All right, guys. So the Yoplait deal, this was in my top 5 deals video. Oh, before I forget, the Huggies deal, it had the new leaf and everything that I put in the top 5 deals. So for me, the new leaf Ibotta rebates were gone. So just be aware of that and check that if you were planning on doing that deal. Yoplait, spend 10, save $3 instantly. I grabbed 10 of the singles at 10 for $6. 2 of the gogurts for 2 for $5. So on the Yoplait singles, I had 2 different 50 cent off of 5 as well as $1 off of 10 digital coupons. They all work together, only buying 10 items. And then Ibotta has 50 cents on 5. It does have to be on like the red label ones or the 6 ounce. It doesn't work on the whip, so that's why I got half and half. Okay, so for the Gogurt, one of my cards had $1.50 off of 2. And then there's Ibotta. There's 2 50-cent rebates there. Now, I had some tracking on coupons.com on the app when I submitted my receipt. $3 back when you spend $15. I was only a few dollars away from hitting that, so I got back $3. And I'll also get back 50 cents for purchasing 5. So for me, it was a little 50-cent moneymaker. You may or may not have tracking on the coupons.com app, but it'll still be a pretty good deal for you. Okay, cottage cheese. There was a ton of items included. Townhouse, some Kellogg's, a whole bunch of different things. My kids love cottage cheese, so I went for this deal for them. Spend $15, save $5. I grabbed 6 of the Daisy at $2.50. I only had 2 55-cent coupons that they had mailed me quite a while ago when I had contacted them. They do not double, making it a total cost for me of $8.90 or only $1.48 each, which is a pretty good deal. The all laundry detergent is 2 for $8. There's a 2 off of 2 digital as well as $1.50 off of 1 digital. And then over on the coupons.com app, there's $1.50 over there. So the total cost was $3 or only $1.50 a piece. The 5-point freebies this week is the kombucha, if that's how you say it, or kefir water. It's 221 BC. I've never heard of this stuff. This is over in the produce section in case you're looking for it. At least that's where it is in my store. I do have 2 cards, but I just wanted to show you that it worked on both items. And then they gave us the same offers again. So I grabbed this mac and cheese. It's $2.59. It's really weird. One of you guys told me that it wasn't giving overage anymore for some of the items. So I did purchase a mac and cheese on one receipt and a shells and cheese on the other. And on the one receipt, it just took off $2.59, being a choice reward. But the other one, it took off $2.89, giving me a little bit of overage. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but they might be changing that. I'm not sure. And then also, that was a cost of 50 choice points. So just be aware of that. If you want those deals, they're still around and they'll probably be the same thing next week. They just won't reset. The Coke with coffee, $1.89. There's a 50 cents back on Ibotta, making it $1.39. They gave us that $5 off of any beverage when you use 200 choice points. So I did this to get some overage. And for my husband for Christmas, I collect a whole bunch of these, put them in a box and wrap it up, and he absolutely loves it. So I do that in the Pepsi Nitros. So that $5 off coupon did come off even though the amount is way under $5. But I did spend 200 choice points, so I factored that in, making it $1.61 moneymaker. The Huggies, they're $1.99 each. There's $1 off of 2 digital, $1 off of 2 on the coupons.com app. When you submit your receipt, do not have your card linked or it doesn't work, making it a total cost of $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. Then the Cracker Barrel cheese is $1.99 with the in-app coupon. No Ibotta rebates. Guys, this is probably the best deal of the week here. The, looky there, it printed. I figured it would. The Butterfinger Baby Ruth 100 grand. They're 5 for $10. Now, I was going to grab a bag of Crunch, but I didn't see any at my store, and I'm not sure if it's going to work for the Catalina. So it should. I really think it should. But If anyone purchases Crunch and it works for you, please let me know, because I'm probably going to go back on Sunday and I would really like to look for some Crunch. 5 for $10. It is printing a $4 Catalina when you buy 5. You might have a 2 off of 3 Smart Source coupon. I forget what insert that's from. I don't have that, but I'm okay with paying $6 or $1.20 a piece. That is a really great deal for me. Now these, I did look in like the seasonal section. I didn't go to the actual regular candy aisle, but I did look down it real quick and I saw that it was tagged there too. The Halloween section wasn't tagged. And this bag of candy at my store was not working because the barcode wasn't in the system yet. So maybe just check the regular aisle and get a regular bag. So what we ended up having to doing was scanning 2 of the Butterfingers instead of that, but it all worked out fine. So please, if anyone grabs Crunch bars and the deal works, let us know, because I really want to go back on Sunday and grab some more candy for Christmas giveaways, because who cares if it's Halloween candy? It doesn't have Halloween stuff on it, so give it away at Christmas if that's what you want to do. All right, guys, so that's it for Giant this week. I think I told you guys my kids were sick last week and deals were really sad, so that's why I didn't do a haul video. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.